Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Motor Daler Muithawith with pointed gourds and potatoes. Please watch the video till the end without skipping, otherwise you may miss some crucial steps. You will find the detailed ingredients in the description box below. Let's get started. Soak 150 grams of motor dal for 4 to 5 hours. Now grind the soaked dal with 1 inch ginger, 1 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt without adding water. Transfer it to a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and go on beating until it becomes fluffy enough. Keep it aside. Take 500 grams of pointed gourd, peel it slightly and cut it into halves. Now take 2 medium-sized potato, peel them and cut them into 1 inch sized cubes. Chop a medium-sized tomato. Make a paste of 1.5 inch ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/4 cup of water. And keep aside. Pour 1 liter of water into a karai on high flame. Wait until the water starts boiling. Grease your hands with little bit of white oil. Take a small portion of dal paste and go on adding to the boiling water one by one. Boil them for 10 minutes on medium heat. Then strain and keep them aside. Take 3 tablespoons of mustard oil to a hot karai. When it is hot, add the potato. Fry until golden. And keep it aside. Now add the pointed gourd to the hot oil. While frying, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry until golden. Keep it aside. Let's cut each muitha into 2 pieces. Now fry the muithas in the remaining oil until golden brown. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and keep watching for more amazing recipes in the future. Keep it aside. Let's add 1 tablespoon of oil to the remaining oil. When it is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, crushed garam masala of 5 green cardamom, 3 cloves and 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick. Fry on a low flame until a nice aroma comes out. Add the chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar and fry until it becomes soft. Now add the masala paste and fry until the oil separates out. Let's add the fried potato and pointed gourd to it and cook for some time on low flame. Add 3 cups of hot water. And cook on medium heat. Cover it when it starts boiling. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Add the fried muitha and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Stir it. Switch off the flame and give a standing time of 10 minutes. It is best served with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box too. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.